Pero
It
saan mo
opened doors.
na-discover na, okay, na-expose na ako sa mga
Oh,
financial
that's when I
liter
started working with the company I've mentioned kanina. Um, and then I am the kind of person who learn by doing. So what I did is kasi trainer eh. So mahirap siya kung ituro kung hindi ko siya ramdam, kung inaral ko lang siya. So what I did is I put my own money. Ito na yung time na ako na yung medyo nakaluwag-luwag na by the way. And then I put in yung ITF, I put this, that's when I started already. And then I started seeing na, pwede palang kumita na natutulog. I mean, not like you become a millionaire overnight, but, okay. Ito pala yung mga ways. Because, back in 2015, 16 yata, I was already married that time. And then, yung husband ko, there's this significant amount. And then I ran to Sir and say, Sir, ano kayang pwedeng gawin sa ganitong amount and this and this? What I learned is that you have to study also the funds, like yung mga pasikot-sikot, yung mga maliliit na mga terms doon. And said, okay, maganda to money market. So because we have a condo, me and my husband bought a condo before we got married. And then that's the time we withdraw the funds from the money market, and then we pay in full the condo. And then 2018 I left the corporate world.